Hi guys, good morning all of you. Hope all of you can hear me. Anyone guys, can you please confirm? Is I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
All right, just give me a second. Okay, right. So guys, I think some of you have attended the last couple of classes. So I just started with some introduction, guys. Like in first class, I just given some idea about what is going to be the need of data visualization. So what is need of visualization? So why do you require visualization, guys? Why should I convert the data into which is going to be the visuals for understanding the data? And second thing is, what are the different types of visualization softwares or visualization tools are there? So what are going to be the visualization tools that are available in the market? So among that, what is going to be the features which is provided by Power BI? So what is going to be the features of Power BI? Because Power BI is one of the data visualization software, which is very popular. Almost all 80% of the companies uses Power BI, guys. 80% of the companies is currently they are using the Power BI as their data visualization software. So apart from that, even in the last class, I've given something called as something about the what is going to be the project life cycle. So I given an idea, guys, like what is going to be the project life cycle. So first of all, just an example, first step is going to be so simple, in a simple way to say that get the data and something like transform the data or clean up the data. And then we are going to do something called as a data modeling we are going to do. So in the data modeling, we are going to use something called as an DAX. And after that, we are going to use something called as an data visualizations. We have to do that visualizing the data. So do some kind of a visualization, guys. And after that, customization, all these things we have to do. And then we have to go for publish the reports or publish your visuals, guys, so that the users can access them, guys. So this is going to be mainly the 4 steps, what I said, that get your data, clean up your data, do some data modeling, do some data visualization, publishing the visuals also, guys. And as I said that for training purpose, we are going to first discuss the data visualization first and then data modeling. Because if you want to do the data modeling, first of all, we should have some idea about the data visualization. So depending on the visualization, what you require, based on that only, we are going to do the data, what is going to be this application. So without knowing that, we cannot go for this implementation, guys. That's the reason. First, we have to discuss about data modeling. Practically, we'll do data modeling first and then data visualization. But in our theoretical classes, in our training program, first data visualization and then data modeling, what we have to do that. Okay. So that is what I discussed about that. Once again, I show you in the last class, I given some tools like, so as I said that now, guys, these 3 steps, whatever these first 3 stages is done with the help of something called as an Power BI desktop. It is going to be done by using a software called as an Power BI desktop, guys, which we have to download and we have to install from Microsoft. And where to publish your reports? This is going to be done with the help of something called as an Power BI service. It is done in Power BI service, guys. Once if you publish them in the Power BI service, how can the users can access the data from the Power BI service, guys? There is an option called as an if you want. If you want, we can send this Power BI service can send the reports directly to your email attachments. Okay, if you want, they can deliver the reports directly to your email. Or else even the users can also access with the help of Power BI mobile also, guys. They can install the mobile, Power BI mobile in their mobiles. The software itself is Power BI mobile, guys. So download and install the Power BI mobile in your mobile machines or tabs, mobiles or tabs. And from there, you can access the Power BI service. But directly, we cannot access the reports from Power BI desktop because it is nothing but a file which is saved as an extension called as .pbix file. So Power BI desktop is going to be saved with the extension of what is going to be .pbix file. From there, we have to send these reports to which is going to be publish these reports to Power BI service. And from Power BI service, the users can access the reports through the Power BI mobile, guys. That is how basically the plan or the action which we are going to take place. Okay. So this one we have to download, guys. This one you need not to download because it is it's going to be nothing but it's a web-based application. So that will be there, which is going to be part of your, which is going to be part of your cloud service. It is available there. So you can access from that particular cloud, we can access them, guys. But apart from that, it is not going to be required. So that is what we call it as a Power BI service. So if you want to access this, guys, you have to open your browser and type which is going to be app.powerbi.com. you have to access with the help of app.powerbi.com. We have to download. And this one, Power BI mobile, it is going to be. From my side, everything is fine. What about the others, guys? Can you anybody confirm that? Is my voice is clear? Or do you find any disturbance in the voice? Somebody is saying that it is voice is breaking.
It's
Anyone?
audible, sir.
Is it clear? Or is there any breaking of
Yes,
voice?
it's clear.
It's clear. Okay, fine. So yes, Virendra, yes, can you check from your side also, please? Okay, fine. Okay, thank you, guys. So that's it, guys. These are going to be the three software. So Power BI mobile, you have to download and install in your mobile. So you have to download into mobile. Power BI service, you can access only through the web browser, and Power BI desktop, you can download and install it, guys. That is what we have to do that. Okay. So let me show you how I'm going to, which is going to be download and install. Very easy, guys. Just directly you can go to open your browser, guys, and simply you say which is going to be download. I say which is going to be where is that download Power BI, guys. Download which is going to be Power BI desktop. So see this is going to be nothing but download the Power BI desktop, guys. You can see this is going to be the site, the link from where you can download directly the Power BI desktop, guys. So this is the place, guys. From here we can download the Power BI desktop. So before going to the download, just before going to the download, guys, read something from here. Come down. Can you see which is going to be with Power BI desktop? What you can. So see the same whatever I have explained about that. Just give some 2 minutes of time and read it, guys. Get your data first of all. As already said that using Power BI desktop, you can get the data. The Power BI desktop makes discovering data easy. So you can handle your data very easily, guys. You can import the data from a variety of data sources. As already said that it is going to be almost a variety of data sources, 200 different type of data sources, which Power BI can get the data. After you connect to your data source, you can shape the data to match your analysis and reporting needs. So after connecting to your source, you can shape your data, guys. You can transform. Shaping is nothing but we can transform the data. Shape the data to match your analysis and reporting needs. And after that, I said that it is nothing but what we call it as you can enrich your data model. Means some kind of a reusable calculations, some kind of an reusable, which is going to be the calculations, expressions, we can create them, guys. So when you import two or more tables, oftentimes you will need to create a relation between the two tables. Power BI desktop includes the manage relationship dialog and relationship views. Okay, and not only that, we can also create, you can also very easily create your own measures and calculations, customize the data formats and categories to enrich your data for additional insights. So we can do, guys, we can create our own, which is going to be reusable calculations and all these things we can create it, guys. And then, as I said that, create your reports. As I already said that, Power BI desktop includes the report view. Select the fields you want, add some filters, choose your dozens of visualizations, format your visuals with some custom colors, gradients, and several other options. Not only that, guys, we can also download lot of visualization. So the Power View gives you the same great report and visualization tools, just like when creating a report on the powerbi.com. So save your reports, guys. So obviously we have to save your reports. With the Power BI, which is going to be desktop, you can save your work, and Power BI desktop files will be saved as an extension of .pbx file. But what to do with this pbx file, guys? Don't share the pbx file with anyone. We don't share them, guys. We are not going to share them with anyone. So what you have to do, guys, simple, we have to upload them, guys. Upload, or which is going to be publish your reports. We have to either upload them, guys, or either we have to publish the reports, guys. That is what we call it as upload or publish your reports. You can upload the reports you created and saved in your desktop to your Power BI site. You can also publish them directly to the Power BI or directly from the Power BI desktop also we can do, guys. So same example, whatever I said that using Power BI desktop, what we can do, create your reports, get your data, clean up them, do some data model, create your reports, save your reports, etc., etc. Upload or publish your reports, guys. You can upload the reports you created and saved in the desktop to your Power BI site. You can also publish them to Power BI right directly from the Power BI desktop. So something like this, we can just work on those particular applications very easily, guys. Very easily we can perform this operation. I'll just show you some examples practically. This for today, I'll show you some examples practically. Okay, system requirements is nothing much important is there, guys. So 11, Windows 10, Windows 11 is supported. Microsoft Power BI desktop requires Internet Explorer 10 or greater. We are using Google Chromes and all these things. It is available both for 32-bit as well as 62-bit platform also. Okay, so nothing much instructions are there. Download the version of Power BI desktop that matches your architecture, 32-bit, 64-bit of your Windows OS. Run that .exe file and follow the step, whatever the steps are there. Very easy, guys. And one more important point is Power BI is going to releases an update every month, guys. Monthly updates will be there, guys. There will be a monthly updates will be there, guys. You can go for some kind of a monthly update. Every month they will releases a new update will be releases, guys. Every month they will provide, they will give you some kind of an updates. They're not releasing any new version, but they are giving some kind of an which is going to be updates are going to be gets releases there, guys. The releases some kind of an updates will be there. So whatever that updates and all these things, for example, I think November update was not yet released till it is going to be October update only, guys. Let me check. Already my version is already updated. It is already October update only. I'll show you once. But as of my knowledge, it is going to be it was generally around 15 to 20th they will release as the update, guys. After that, maybe some kind of a small patches or etc. will be there. Can you see there? When you open the Power BI desktop, there is one about option is there, guys. Click on this about option. Click on this about option, guys. So I'm having October 2025 update only. So I have a latest update only, but this may be a small difference will be there, guys. This is major version, this is minor version, and this is going to be some build version will be there. So maybe as of my knowledge, 2.148 will be the same. Generally, it will be the same. This build version, see whatever that 878 is there, that may changes, guys. So come here and verify. What is the version, guys? Can you see there? 2.148 is there. This is matching, guys. Only this particular build version, that is 1226 is there. I'm having which is going to be 8, which is going to be 78 was there. That means almost all same update, guys. Nothing new update. It is also my October update only. Around November 15th, approximately, they will release a say, which is going to be November update will be released as, guys. Around which is going to be, they will release as a November update. Okay, so download it. It will be some little bit size, guys. See, 826.4 MB is there. Download. So directly, whenever I downloaded, guys, it directly downloading. You can see it was downloading. Power BI desktop setup x64. So directly it is downloading the 64-bit operating system, the 64-bit the software only. It takes a few minutes of time. Installation is very, very easy. So no issues at all, guys. Everything next process only it will take it. So whenever you are doing a fresh installation, a completely new installation, it is going to be very faster, guys. Easily it is going to installs. But whenever we go for some kind of whenever we are updating, it will takes a little bit time, but because it checks with the old version, then again it is going to remove the old one, updates the new one, registers the new one. So it is going to be a new version will be faster, but updating is going to be a little bit slower, guys. Little bit slower. So it is going to takes a little bit time, guys. Whenever we go for some kind of the installation, what we can see that. So my system is already having the installation has been already done, right? So it will takes a little bit time, guys. Let us see. Let us wait for some time and we'll do it, guys. Very easy installation. Everyone can install, guys. Without having an issue, you can install, guys. You can install, download, and you can install it, guys.
Are you there?
Yes, please. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just waiting for this download to complete. Hello. Yeah, guys, just I'm waiting for the download to complete. Once it is done, I can start with the installation. Just wait, guys, 2 minutes. Maybe it takes 2 minutes of time. Almost all done, guys. Just wait for a couple of seconds, just a few seconds. Yep, it was done, guys. Let me open the installation. So very easy. So anyone can do the installation very easily, guys. So nothing matters. So straightforward. Next. We can go for the option, guys, and easily we can download and we can install it, guys. Okay, nothing is there. It is saying that Power BI desktop is already running. So being it is already running, we can't do that. So if we ignore it, the installation cannot continue. So what I have to do is I have to, which is going to close the Power BI desktop, guys. Better close it, because while the Power BI desktop is open, we cannot do the installation. So what I'm going to do is again go back and do that installation, guys. I'm doing the installation here, guys. Just click on the next option. Everything almost all I have the latest update only, guys. But just I want to show the installation procedure. That's the reason. So it is going to be all about next option only, guys. So that will takes a little bit time. Why? Because in my system, as I said that it is going to be little bit, because it is going to be already the installation is already done. So that is the reason it may take say which is going to be a little bit time for doing some installation here now. Just wait for it again. Just we have to wait for a few seconds of time. Just only one time process, guys. Every day we need not to do it, right? It's not an everyday process. It is going to be one time process. Just if I show you once the installation, next time you can go and we can install the software. It's taking some time, guys, actually. So maybe it's I don't have an issue from my side. Okay, I will just verify. Maybe a internet issue or something like that. Generally, it will not be there. Okay, let me just click on the next button, guys. So from here onwards, everything is going to be next option only. Nothing to do. So it is going to be just see just next install over. That's it, guys. There is nothing important steps are there, nothing configurations, no setup, nothing is going to be required, guys. Anyone can directly, we can perform that installations, we can do that. So installation is going on. It takes a little bit time, guys, because this is not a fresh installation, right? So that is the reason it will takes a little bit time. So let's see how it is going to works. So it is removing the old files. Let's wait, guys, just for maybe another 2 minutes. It will complete. So it is copying new files. So it's just remove the old files, guys, because the old version is already there. So whenever it is a new installation, directly it will copy the new files, guys. But because it is an old, it's already the updation, right? So it is removing the old files. First I removed the old files, and now it is going to, which is copying the new files here, guys. It's almost all done, guys. Let's wait for just a few seconds, maybe. It's removing the backup files. It's looking like it's taking more time. We'll finish up it, guys. Just let it complete because while it is installing, I can't open the Power BI desktop also. So let it complete. It will be completed, guys. Yep. It was done, guys. So no need to do the installation every time. So yes, it has been done, guys. So it is opening. It's opening the Power BI desktop. So let me verify, guys. Again, click on the same about here now. Once if we click on the about, it is still in the October update only, guys. But you can see 2.148 point. Previously, we can see 2.148 points. Earlier, it is going to be somewhere around 878 or something is there. But now if you can see, it has been got updated to, which is going to be same version. You can see the application, guys. Same version, guys. You can see 2.148 point, which is going to be 1226, which is going to be nothing but it is an a 64-bit, which is going to be the data what we can see with the data, guys. That's it, guys. So it has taken a little bit time, but it's a very easy installation, guys. So this is whenever we open the Power BI desktop. So your environment is going to be something which looks like this, guys. So this is the place only where we are going to create our reports. Okay. So just I'm not doing any, which is going to be the visualizations, guys. I'm not doing any business data, or I'm not doing any a kind of an which is going to be a business analysis or something like that. We are not doing that. So what I am going to do here is, guys, just an example. So how simple this Power BI is to make you understand the data, guys. So see there, first what I'm going to do is, don't worry about this. What I'm going to do is, I'm generating my own data also. It's not like you have to use only the existing data only, guys. I can generate my own data also. I can generate it, guys. Okay. So what is going to be I'm going to do here is, guys, I'm generating very simple, guys. A generate series starting value is going to be 1 to, for example, I'm generating up to, which is going to be, let us say up to 360, I'm going to generate it, guys. See, why the people uses the data visualization tools. Don't think that it is always a business analysis only, guys. So just I've taken some, nothing is there, series of numbers, 1 to 360, I'm generating it, guys. Let us say that this table name is going to be test. Simple, it has generated, which is going to be nothing but what we can see. It has generated one column, which is going to be list of columns. It has just a column containing some list of values, containing just 1 to 360. We have the data there. Now I'm adding some, see how I'm doing some data modeling. I'm defining my structure by my own. It is going to be, I want to apply something called as an sine function is there. I want to convert this degrees. Actually, this is degrees, guys. I want to convert this into a kind of an radians, which is going to be radians of, which is going to be, what is the name of the table, guys? It is going to be test value. What I'm going to do that. Close it, close it. This is going to be nothing but, just see how simple it is going to be there. So it is going to be nothing but sine. So I'm calculating what is going to be sine 1, sine 30. You know, sine 30 is 0.5, no, guys? Okay. What is sine 90, guys? Sine 90 is equal to nothing but it is going to be 1. What is sine 190, guys? 180. 180 is nothing but it is going to be 180. Where is that 180, guys? Here it is going to be 180 is there. So which is going to be nothing but 0. So it is going to be something like this, guys. It is going to be something like minus 0.5, which is going to be minus 1. It is going to be like that. You know, you have an idea about that. If you want, I'll also go for which is going to be cosine also, guys. Just an example. I'm adding one new column here now. Just this time, I'm going to add something called as n, which is going to be, I say, which is going to be cosine. I'm adding something called as n cosine. I'm going to add it here, which is going to be, I say, something called as n cos. So don't think that it is always only a business data. So don't think that your data visualization is done only for which is going to be analyzing the business data, guys. So I can see which is going to be, hope you remembered, guys. This is going to be nothing but what we can see. The value, I'm going to put it on the x-axis. On the sine value, I'm going to put it on the y-axis, guys. I think you have an idea about this. What is this curve stands for? This is nothing but what we know that it is going to be from, which is going to be a sine wave. It is nothing but sine wave, guys, which is going to be nothing but what I'm going to do is on the same value, I'm also going to put something like an cosine value also I can put there. If you want, I can generate more data. I can generate, guys. I generated only 360, right? I'll generate up to 720. 720 means I'll get two curves I'm going to get in, guys. If I said which is going to be 1440, guys, 1440 means double. 720 into 2, which is going to be 1440, guys. So we are going to get a more curve, something like this. What we are going to do that. It's not a business report. It is not a which is going to be a data analysis. It is nothing but how our sine curve is going to be there. How our which is going to be cosine curve will be there. So one is going to be sine, guys, and the other one is nothing but what we can say. It is going to be a cosine curve. What we can see with the data there. See that? See this data. Nothing is there, guys. This is going to be how I'm going to create a visual. So it is not any business analysis. So visualizations can be used by anyone. We can customize the colors, whatever the styles, whatever you require, guys. So I want to customize. For example, here blue color is nothing but the sine value, and this particular is going to be nothing but it's a cosine value. What we can do that. So I want to draw a which is going to be one constant line I want to draw in, guys. I want to add one line here now. What is the line value? Line value is nothing but I want to add it 0. Color is going to be nothing but it's a black color. and the line is going to be solid line. What is that line actually? It is nothing but 0 line. It is nothing but 0 line, guys. So sine 0, 0, see there, sine which is going to be, see, whenever the value is 90, you can see that sine value is equal to 1, but whereas cosine value is equal to 0, guys. Like that, whenever it is 180 degrees, you can see sine value is 0, but cosine value is equal to -1. Whenever it is going to be, this is 270 degrees, guys. Whenever it is going to be 360 degrees is there. Whenever it is 360 degrees, then it is going to be something like this, guys. So 90, 180, sorry, this is 270, guys. Sorry, this is 270, guys. Like this, this is going to be 360, guys. Like this, it is going to be 450. Like that, we can see the data. This is 90. This is going to be nothing but it is 90, 180. This is 270. This is 360, guys. Like that. So something like this, see there how that particular curve is going to be there. So data visualization means don't think that only for business reports and business analysis only we can do. Even mathematical equations also we can do. So see, I prepared the data. I created my own model. I created my data model and I created it, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's class, guys. So just for today, we can stop it here. And with the today's session, guys, we completed the demos. So from tomorrow onwards, the regular classes will start, guys. But before starting with the, which is going to be the regular classes, guys, so we have to get registered. So from tomorrow's class, guys, the link will changes only for the registered users only. You are going to get the link, guys. So if you are interested to go ahead with the course, guys, you can complete your registration. Our backend team already has shared the details about the payment links and all these things. You can complete your payment and you can get the new link. You can get it from the tomorrow's class, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's session, guys. Just for today, we'll stop it here. We'll continue from the tomorrow's class, guys. Okay. Anyone, guys? Any questions from your side?
Sir Subhadra here.
Yes, please, Subhadra. Yeah.
Sir, did you have a word with the backend
I
team
will do it. I'll do it. Today is also demo session, right? So I didn't discuss
Yes,
about them. Today I will discuss with them.
okay.
Okay. Fine.
Thanks. Yes.
Right. Okay, then. That's it for the today's session, guys. Just for today, we'll stop it here. We'll continue tomorrow, guys.